Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom really matters. Today, I'm going to be talking about a energy stock called ONEOK, and I'm going to do a price analysis for the year 2021 so that we can see together what it's going to be, hopefully, in the year 2021. Their fiscal year ends December 31, 2020, so this analysis would go to December 31, 2021. Okay, ONEOK and with its subsidiaries engages in the gathering, processing, storage, and transportation of natural gas in the United States. And it operates through natural gas gathering and processing, natural gas liquids, and natural gas pipeline segments. So it's an energy stock. And I'm going to do an analysis for you guys to see what this price would be in 2021. Also, just to let you guys know that this stock sweetens up the deal by giving a dividend yield of 13.82%, and it comes out to an annual payout of $3.74 and 93 cents on a quarterly basis. And their dividend growth has been 18 years with a 10.68% 5-year growth rate. So that is a very good payout ratio, and it really sweetens out the deal, especially knowing that a natural gas is very, very useful and it's used by everyone. We all use natural gas. So let's get into it right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys from my Excel spreadsheet here that the earnings per share is $2.82. And if you're new to my channel, what we do is we get the earnings per share, we multiply it by the PE ratio to come up with an idea of what the stock would be like in the future. And also, just to let you guys know that UBS just upgraded this stock to a buy from neutral with a $35 price target. Okay, guys, also, if you look here, Wells Fargo just upgraded this stock from equal weight to overweight on October 5. The high earnings estimate for their stock right now is $3.02 and for 2021, and the low is $1.94 with the average of $2.65. And currently, for the year 2020, the average of their earnings per share is $2.51. And if we look down over here to see if there's any surprises, if we look at September 2019 and then December 2019, there was no surprises. Everything was clean and clear. What was expected was actually earned. And then if you look at March, there was a little bit of a surprise of 3.7%. And then if we look at June 2020, there was a negative 37.3%, and I think that was an overflow from the coronavirus because a lot of energy was not used and it just went down. So I'm just gonna put down 0% surprise growth rate. I don't think there's gonna be any surprises here. I think that everything is gonna be what it was like in the previous year. So I'm not gonna have any surprise growth rates for this stock currently. And their trend right now, if you look at the trend, the current estimate is 58 cents for September 2020, and then for December it's 64 cents. And 7 days ago, 30 days ago, and even 60 days ago it was less, and 90 days ago it was a little bit more. But right now we're at 64 cents. ONEOK last announced its earnings data on July 28, 2020, and the utilities provider reported 32 cents earnings per share for the quarter, missing the consensus estimate of 51 cents by 19 cents. The firm had revenue of $1.66 billion for the quarter compared to the consensus estimate of $2.32 billion, and its revenue for the quarter was down 32.4% on a year-over-year basis. ONEOK has generated $3.07 earnings per share over the last year and currently has a price to earnings ratio of 18.7. ONEOK has confirmed that its next quarterly earnings report will be published on Tuesday, October 27, 2020. And if we enter in the high earnings per share with 0% growth rate, we get 302 again. And then if we get their PE ratio of 1643, which is what their current PE ratio is, 1643 based on their Yahoo's website, we can see that the high price target for this stock is $49.62, which is a 44% increase of where they are currently at $27.81. And the low estimate would be $31.87, again, which would be 12.8% increase from where we are right now. And the average estimate that I'm showing would be $40.75, which is a 31.7% increase from where we are right now. So according to my analysis, I believe that this stock is currently undervalued because their earnings dropped. So there's a lot of people that are saying that this stock may not do very well. But based on this analysis, I think that this stock could have more potential. There is downward risk, of course, because of the fact that they didn't perform well and their earnings dropped. So we have to really take a look at that and see what it would be in October 27 of this year. But what sweetens the deal for me is that they've been growing their dividend yields for many years, and their current dividend yield is 13.82%, which really sweetens out the deal for me. It kind of makes me want to invest in this stock. But again, that's just for me. I'm not saying that's what you should do, but that's a very high yield for a very solid energy stock right now. And since it's been upgraded to buy from UBS and Wells Fargo, and there's a price target of $35, and this is the current price where we are right now at $27.81. And these are my analysis. I'm showing average of $40.75 and a low of $31.87. So guys, let me know what you think about this stock. This is an energy stock of ONEOK. The ticker symbol is OKE right here, OKE. And I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this and what are your thoughts on this stock. Please give me a thumbs up. I look forward to doing more videos like this to give you more analysis from my feedback. And I hope to hear from you guys as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.